He's got, not only does he have Phillip's picture, he's got Phillip's pecker.
I really love it.
So he's
Phillip's pecker.
To the girl. As he's scamming his
Got
wife at the same
Phillip's.
time.
Got Phillip's pecker. Oh God,
This guy's
that's
good, man.
great.
Kind of love
That's awesome.
you are.
That guy's good.
Thank you, sweetie. You're precious.
Ask him if he's a guy. Are you a guy?
Thank you very much. That is a great compliment.
Are you a guy?
You're killing me.
It's kind of, what is the best color? Her best color is pink. I just told you, mine was blue. She said, what's your favorite color? And you heard me say, my favorite color is blue. What is yours?
This is better than the Red Skeleton
maybe
show.
she's not a scammer, because she was honest. She's like, well, I like pink, you know?
Yeah, but it could be him.
It could be some rando
And
guy.
here's some random text. Hey, what's up?
What's up with you,
I
baby?
don't know. It's a different piece of food.
What's up with you? Just sitting
What's
around
happening with
chatting on my iPhone, looking for dates.
I'm sitting here lonely and bored. What about you?
This new girl?
This is on the text. This ain't WhatsApp. They got my number somewhere.
This is a new girl.
Yeah, this is a new girl.
Okay.
My name is Phillip. It is nice to meet you. What is yours?
Don't tell him your real name.
I don't.
He has to. He can't keep track of all the lies.
She said regarding to lonely and bored, she said same.
Keep track of all of
You know
them.
what I mean? You gotta
Yeah.
keep one steady name.
Oh God.
Steady Eddie. My name's Steady Eddie.
Steady
see.
Eddie, and they don't. I knock the ball steady.
I want to see how good you are with their responses. Is what I want to see.
Okay. I don't even get bothered getting back to me. And I guess you deleted my number. Or what, baby? She's saying baby the same way. It's the same dude, man. Same one that's on WhatsApp's got this number because you got to get my number on WhatsApp to get on WhatsApp with me. So she's done got my number and she's spelling baby the same way. BBY. Can I see a picture? I don't have no idea who I'm talking to. I deleted a lot of them.
Things just go
I
south.
block them, man. When I see they're scammers, I usually just block them.
Well, of course.
Well, I blocked this one, and she evidently had my number. That's what she said.
All right.
Why did you block me?
What's the most you've sent?
Have you forgotten me so easy?
Which
Well,
one's
you
this?
haven't even told me your name. I don't know the number. 256.
Is this the new girl?
256. Hell, that's low. That's low. 256 is my damn number. Wait a minute.